Now? You're going to leave now?
At first glance, Cody and Gray Jackson may look like regular siblings, but take a closer look.
We meet people and we're like, oh, and by the way, I have someone who looks just like me.
They're 19-year-old identical twins.
Our mom even had to mark our baby pictures to tell which one was which.
Because of their identical genetic makeup, there's something inside their brains that North Texas researchers say could hold the key to answering an important question.
What are you born with, and what can you acquire as a function of your experiences?
Dr. Denise Park from UT Dallas and Dr. Thad Polk from the University of Michigan are studying twins to determine if complex skills like math and reading are programmed in your brain at birth.
There are plenty of people who think, well, I was just born being bad at math, right? Well, is that really true?
With the twins inside an MRI machine, the researchers have them answer simple yes or no questions about language and math.
We literally are looking at what parts of the brain are active when the brain sees a certain category or stimulus.
Being genetic matches, researchers are focusing on the twins' brain patterns when exposed to the same stimuli. If they show similar brain patterns, researchers say that means the skill is most likely a genetic behavior.
It's actually a really fundamental, important question about how we should ultimately structure educational experiences and what we can change and what we can't. We'll make sure that
Cody and Gray Jackson say they were excited to be part of the study.
Hopefully something will come of it. If not, it was just kind of a cool experience to be an actual part of that.
And as for being twins,
if I ever need a kidney, I know who to call.
Yeah, call your sister.
And the study doesn't just involve identical twins. Dr. Park and Dr. Polk are recruiting fraternal twins as well. Plus, the participants do get paid.